Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Yamaha MT-03. This little street fighter just arrived with only 2,400 miles on the odometer. Beautiful condition, really cool paint scheme with those neon wheels. Come on by and make your lightweight dreams come true. This awesome MT-03. She's got engine guards, adjustable levers, only $44.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.